Today, I'll show you how to make money on YouTube. 60 seconds is all you need to make money repeatedly and send it into your PayPal account. Today in this video, I'll show you everything step by step on this video in a couple of minutes, and don't worry, it's free, no investment is needed, and it's available worldwide. But before that, subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification bell, hit the like button, and share it with others. Now, let's get into the video. First of all, you need to go on to YouTube and search for this keyword, motivational video. From there, you can find different videos posted by other people, and they are getting hundreds of millions of views on this website. Don't worry because you don't need to create any videos, and there is no YouTube, no camera. Today, I want to show you a special secret on how to earn PayPal money from others' YouTube videos. Now, look at this video, no excuses, best motivational video over 37 million, and this one 58 million views. So there are numerous people interested in motivational videos. In the next step, you need to choose 3 videos from this entire list and open them on another separate tab. From there, that's the first YouTube video, stop wasting time, best motivational video, and moving on the second video out from there, that's the third video. So in step number 1, selecting 3 different videos in this category. Now in step number 2, you need to go on UII.io and you can earn PayPal money and get paid every time people click your link. It's 100% free, you do not have to invest any cash, no credit card, and you don't have to sell anything or refer anyone, and here's no affiliate marketing involved, and the concept here is simple. You need to create a free account on UII.io, and in step number 2, you have to shorten your link, and I'll show you how to do it in just a moment. Whenever people click on your shorten link, you'll get paid in PayPal money, and that's how people from different countries worldwide can get paid PayPal money every day. Depending on who is clicking on your link, you'll get paid in different amounts. Like when people from the UK click on your link, you can get $7. People from Norway click your link, you can get $5. Once again, they have the same concept, shorten your link and get people to click on your link. So that's our entire method. Go on to YouTube and find different videos, click the share button, and that's the YouTube link, and click on copy to copy this link. When people click this link, they'll go over to YouTube and watch this motivational video. Now, copy this YouTube link and go back to UII.io to shorten this YouTube link and make it shorter in just a moment. I'll show you how to do this using a new account, and whenever people click on your shortened link, you'll get paid. To get free visitors and free traffic, I want to show this copy-paste script that I prepare for you, and the name of this script is Motivate Yourself Like Never Before. Now, you'll utilize this script, and you can copy and paste and click on the insert your shortened link into this column. So, we need to copy and highlight the script. Click on copy to copy this script. In just a moment, I'll show you how to utilize this copy and paste template to get PayPal money every day. But before that, let me show you how to sign up for a free account. So, click on this button, sign up free, and that will take you to the page, register a new membership. Now, put in your username, email, password, and click on the register button. Once you log into your new account, you can see how many clicks they're getting and how much money you receive every day. As you're logging into a brand new account, you'll see 0 because you have not shortened any links. And if you're watching now, you can copy everything that I showed you and start earning PayPal money. So, click on this button, new shortened link, and it'll open up these boxes. Now, return to YouTube. For example, the first video we selected, scroll down below, click the share button, and copy this YouTube URL link. Go back to a dashboard, paste the YouTube URL link into this box, and type in Motivate1 for Elias. Now, click on the shortened button, and they automatically help us shorten this YouTube URL link into a special UII.io link, and whenever people click this link, they'll go on to YouTube and start watching this video, and you can get paid per click. So, copy this shortened link, go back to our copy-paste script, go down below, look for this section, and paste the shortened link into this column. Now, we'll repeat the same thing by moving on to the second column to put in another second link, and the more link you put into, the more cash you'll make because the more people will click on them, and that's why I want you to find different videos on YouTube. So now, it's the second video, repeat the same method, click on the share button, copy that URL link, go back to a dashboard, delete everything, and paste the link here. For Alice, type in Motivate2, click on the shortened button, click on the copy button, return to the script, scroll down below, and paste the link onto the second section. Now, you can repeat this as much as you want, and I put in 3 links onto one specific document of one template. Once you're putting your shortened link into the document, click on File, click on Download, and download this as a PDF document, and you can start posting them on the final website. So, moving on to the final step, it works, and you can get a lot of people, a lot of free traffic, and people click on our shortened link. Now, go on to SlideShare.net, where people are posting different documents, different slides to share different information with other people. So from that, this is an example of a document and a slide that people post up on SlideShare.com. Once again, you can sign up for a free account. Click the sign up button on top, and that will take you to this page, where you can sign up for a free account. From there, click the upload button on top, and that will take you to this page, where we can upload the PDF file on slideshare.net. Here, they have over 169 million monthly visitors. So a lot of people come to this website, search to learn something. That's why people share documents for free with other people to read on them to get some free value. Suppose they want to learn more information or watch a video. In that case, they will click your link and go onto YouTube and start watching high-quality videos with millions of views on YouTube. And this is a win-win situation. You get to share a good video with other people at the same time. You get pay per click into your PayPal account, and that's how people from different countries in the world can make money every day utilizing this technique. And that's all for today. If you enjoy our content, subscribe with notification on, like it, and comment below on how much money you earn using this strategy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.